Everyone, this is Saida Kolami from Microsoft Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to autofill dates in Excel. So first of all, you can see I have some cells here. I want to autofill the dates for days, weekdays, months, and years. So here my date is the 30th day in 7th month of 2016. So for you to know how to write that date, I can tell you that you should just know the order. So the order for inputting the dates is month, day, and year. So I want to have first month, then the day, and then the year. So you can see that Excel can recognize the format, that is the date, and adds 20 to count for 2016 year. So now I want to autofill the dates. So if I stand in the right down corner of the cell, I can see this positive sign. So when this positive sign appears, I just want to click on that and pull that to, for example, 20th cell, and you can see that it carefully fills these dates in the right order, so it can recognize that after 31's date is the first day of the next month. So then here I want to fill it in the weekdays, so I pull it down here and then I go in the autofill options. So here if I click on that, I can see that it has the fill weekdays option. So if I select that, you can see that it fills the weekdays correctly for me. Now I want to go to the next column and fill the months. So you can see that here if I click on this option again and fill months, it grabs one day in every month. So it picks the 30th day, the same day that I put in the first cell, and goes for that day in every month after each other. So here for the last sample, I want to go for years, and again I pull it down here and go here and select fill years, and I can see that it takes the same day that I picked for every year sequentially. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the Microsoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.